Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. At a first glance, it looks very huge and terrifying. And how can we solve this without using a calculator? But I will tell you a very tricky pattern how to solve it. So we'll start the solution. Before starting it, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. We have 6 power 7 minus 6 power 1. We can write this 6 power 7 as 6 power 6 plus 1 minus 6 power 1, whereas a power m plus n can be written as a power m times a power n. So 6 plus 1 will be 6 power 6 times 6 power 1 minus 6 power 1. Now we can take 6 power 1 common from both the terms. 6 power 1, 6 power 6 minus 1, 6, and we can write 6 power 6 as 6 power 3 into 2 minus 1. Now a power m cross n is written a power m whole n. Now we can write this as 6 cube whole square minus 1, and this can be written as 1 square. Here we will use identity. A square minus b square equals a plus b, a minus b. Now it will be 6 times 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube minus 1. What is 6 cube? It is 6 cross 6 cross 6. 6 cross 6 is 36 cross 6. 36, 216. So it will be 6 times 216 plus 1, 216 minus 1. It is 217, and this is 215. Now we write this 215. 217 can be written as 210. 200 plus 10 plus 7. Is it okay? We have written 217 as 200 plus 10 plus 7 for our easiness, because we are not using calculator. 6 times 215 times 200, it is 43,000, and this is 2150. 215 times 7 is 7535, 0, 15, 5. Now we will add these three terms. 43,000, 2150, 1505, 556, 6. So it will be 6 times 46655. This 5 6 is 30, 3, 5 6 30, 33, 5 6 6 36, 9, 6 is 36, 9, 6 4 24, 27. So the final answer is 27990. So we get the answer of this question without using a calculator. I hope that you understand this video. Please support me by like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon. If you have any query, then post a comment. I will answer it as soon as possible.